Hi guys, good morning. We are about to install a speed timing sensor here in the flywheel speed timing sensor. The tools that we needed, ratchet, a socket, 10 mm, and a flat screw. This machine is a 320D excavator. The first thing we need to do is we have to remove the speed timing sensor. First guys is we have to remove the bolts. I already removing it. And here guys, here's the bolt. Secondly, we will gonna remove the lock on the sensor. And here is the lock of the sensor guys. And now we will gonna remove the sensor. Okay. Okay guys, this is the sensor, the speed timing sensor in the flywheel, and we have to replace this one because it's already damaged. And here guys, this is the new one, and we have to install it. First, we're gonna put the sensor on the flywheel. And then, guys, now we will gonna put the bolt. It's very hard because I cannot locate it. Okay. Okay guys, already installed the bolt. And then we will gonna tight. Not that tight. Okay. And we will gonna connect the connector. Okay. And put the lock. Okay guys, that's how you remove and install speed timing sensor. Thank you.